everyone, and welcome to our very first video of HR Toolkit for enhancing employee engagement. I'm your host Nursu as always, and I'm really thrilled to be your guide on this journey on building a more connected, engaged, and stronger team. Have you ever walked into an office, not necessarily your office, and felt a sense of disconnect? I bet you have. There's an unbreakable silence, and emails ping back and forth with missed contacts, meetings feel transactional, and deadlines loom ever closer. And there is a lack of shared purpose or excitement. It's like, yeah, everyone is actually working hard, but not collaboratively, like individually, and it is not the definition of a team. And I'm sure you're not surprised to hear that this is not uncommon. Many workplaces struggle with siloed teams where individuals are talented but don't quite function as a cohesive unit. The good news is there's a strategic approach to bridge that gap, glue your team back together, and just unlock the full potential of your team. And that is effective team building. Let's take a quick look at a real-world example. Microsoft's Azure team implemented a virtual team building activity during the COVID pandemic to lift spirits and enhance engagement. They partnered with Outback Team Building and Training to conduct a virtual clue murder mystery event, which significantly boosted team morale and fostered a sense of personal connection among remote team members. How awesome is this? I mean, you don't have to be physically together in order to be effective or just feel that sense of belonging together, right? It's all about that shared moments, I think. I mean, we also work remotely as a team in Dectopus AI, but I can't feel more connected. I feel more connected than ever, actually. When you're remote and when you're not together, you try to make ways or find ways to feel more connected because it's what it takes to be a team. And I also want to state another fact. You actually spend more time with your coworkers than you do with your family or close friends. And these people eventually end up being like a second family to you. So you have to find ways to make this work. I mean, you don't have to, of course, but it will definitely be in your favor to do that. And getting back to the example, the event was highly successful, of course, receiving positive feedback and improving team dynamics beyond just the work front. And you know what, guys? Team building is so much more than trust falls or forced retreats. It's a thoughtful process designed to foster an environment where communication thrives, trust deepens, and collaboration becomes second nature. It's about creating a space where individuals feel valued, heard, and motivated to contribute their unique strengths for a shared goal. Let's paint a different picture. Imagine a team where ideas flow freely, fueled by open discussions and brainstorming sessions. Clear communication fosters a sense of understanding and definitely builds trust. Challenges are tackled head-on as a united front, leveraging the collective expertise of the team. Deadlines are met not just with relief, but with a sense of shared accomplishment and a celebratory high five. This, my friends, is the power of team building. But why is it that team building is so important? Here are the benefits and why it matters. Boosted morale and engagement. When employees feel connected to their colleagues and valued for their contributions, they are so much more likely to feel happier, connected, and more invested in their work. Enhanced communication. Effective team building exercises encourage open communication, active listening, and collaboration. This leads to a smoother flow of information, fewer misunderstandings, and better problem solving. Improved productivity, and that is a given. Strong teams work together more effectively, leveraging each other's strengths and minimizing redundancies. This translates to projects completed faster and deadlines met with greater ease. Increased activity and innovation. When diverse perspectives come together in a safe and collaborative environment, creativity just flourishes. Team building exercises can spark new ideas and innovative solutions to challenges. Reduced conflict. By fostering trust and open communication, team building can help prevent conflicts before they arise. Even when disagreements occur, and this is likely to happen because we're all human beings, a strong team is much more likely to overcome this in a constructive way. Investing in team building doesn't just have to be about fun and games. I want you to see this as an investment to the success of your company. By creating a strong foundation of trust, communication, and collaboration, you're empowering your team to achieve remarkable things. In the next video, we'll be diving deep into the world of icebreakers. We'll explore how to break the ice, create a more relaxed atmosphere, and set the stage for a successful team building experience with engaging icebreaker activities. But before we move on, I want you to take a moment and reflect on your team. Do you observe a lack of engagement among your team members? I suggest jotting down all your opinions or answers to my questions because this is going to be a long course packed with information and we're going to be working together to solve all these problems. So let's get moving and help you build a team that you're proud of.